Every time it was above, it had an explosive move. Every time it was down, it had an explosive move down. So this $13.04 on Wolf is going to be your best friend. If we bounce around $13, you might be golden because every time it bounces off that uptrend, it has a violent move up higher. I use TradingView and sometimes Thinkorswim. I try to use the Robinhood's Advantage one. That's kind of janky. I don't like what's Polar. That's a different comment. That's a different thing. All right. So for everyone that's here asking, why did I say crypto influencers are lying to you? Ask me why. People that are, and technically, to be fully transparent, technically I am a crypto influencer because I'm talking about crypto. So again, so all the people that are going to say that, there you go. When I usually don't do live streams at all. I've been doing it for the past month and a half because I saw that there was an injustice that was happening in the crypto, let's say TikTok live stream. Funded the Apex accounts, the futures trading, the options trading. Not so much the option traders. Some of the option traders are actually pretty good, but mostly crypto and futures traders. And it bothered me when people had genuinely good rebuttals on some of these people's positions, and the host and their community would really just insult them like crazy, even though they had a genuinely great question. So I didn't like that. And like 75% of the time when they're doing a live stream, they're promoting a brokerage account. They're using a promo. Use my promo code for 20% off. Use my promo code for 90% off Apex. I think that's just really tacky and disingenuous. Because if you're teaching people how to trade, you shouldn't be looking for donations. I think that's how I feel. I just feel like if you're really what you say you are, then you really don't need that 20% promo code deposit. Now I get the whole entrepreneur thing, but if you just locked in on trading, I mean, you really wouldn't have to do too much, right? I feel like people are trying to oversell something that they're not qualified for, and they're misleading a lot of people. All of my charts, anytime anyone asks me for a stock, a crypto, an ETF, a futures, I will always open the charts on the weekly candle and the 5-year. Always. That gives me the direction. Then I narrow it down to the daily and then the 4-hour. Each time I go down a time frame, it gives me more and more clarity. When I see it looks like tic-tac-toe on someone's chart and they have a 5-minute chart, a 15-minute chart, or the 1 hour, have nothing against that if you're a scalp trader. But if you're a scalp trader, you should be playing supply and demand, full value gaps. You should be playing pivot points, even an EMA. And if you are truly doing trends, which that's a strategy, you can trade trends, uptrends and downtrends.